Hello everyone, this is Hunter at Vapor Honing Technologies and Vapor Blast Manufacturing. Welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to be discussing how to make sure parts are truly clean. So first we're going to go over different blasting techniques whenever you are blasting a piece. So typically when I blast in these machines in the showroom, I'm usually about 3 to 6 inches from the part, usually anywhere in between there. When I'm blasting, I'm going in small circular motions. Whether that's directly over top at a little bit of an angle. You just want to make sure that you're consistent in that throughout the entirety of the part so you don't get what we call hot spotting or dark spots. Obviously going in circular motions will offer more of an even coverage, but holding a little bit too close to the part could also result in hot spots. So it's super important to make sure your distance is right, your pressures are right, and your angling of the part is correct as well. And as you work with different parts with different geometries, you'll have to really play around with it and kind of see what angles work best, what distances work best. But the good thing about this process is that the water will allow that abrasive to flow into those peaks and valleys to get those areas cleaner and a lot quicker. You don't have to deal with packing or embedding or trying to dig abrasive out of those areas. If you'd like some more information on how to clean those hard to reach areas, please click the top left corner of the video. There will be a link up there explaining how to get to hard to reach areas. So you get through blasting your part. There are a couple ways to check if your part is truly clean. One of those is obviously visually, you can look at it. One key thing to look at if you're dealing with a part that's not, super dirty, it's obviously not gonna show where you blasted and where you didn't, because half of it's rusty and half of it's bare metal. You can look at the textures. So like, let's say you have just a basic piece of aluminum, like a little coupon sample. The best way to check if you got to all of the part with the abrasive you're working with are the textures of the metal. If the textures look different, you've missed a spot on that piece of metal, so it'd be helpful to go back and reblast that. The second way to check is through microscopic readings. Typically, if you have a microscope available, you can get super close to the part. When you use, let's say, a glass bead, the surface will look rounded, but if you missed a part, it may look, like lines if you're dealing with a simple sheet of metal. Obviously, you can tell that you've missed a spot through that microscopic reading if there's inconsistencies. So we're at the end of our video. If you guys have any more questions remaining, please give us a call. Our number here is 828-202-5563. And if you want more information or if you're interested in purchasing this VH800FL, please check out our website, www.vaporhoningtechnologies.com. It'll be linked in the description for you. Have a great day and please come back and watch soon.